Private Molanda Muhammad, attached to Infant Division, 3rd Brigade, Moroto. He had gone for a bus leave. Since he was on uniform, he was attacked and killed by unknown group of attackers yet to be identified. But we pursued the group and they left. Today at 1500 hours, a group of unknown people also attacked policemen. In self-defense, we managed to put 2 out of action. And as I talk, those bodies, we have taken them to the mortuary and we have arrested 3 of them. We have Kifi Yowasi, who is 73 years, and is from Buhikira Zone, Tarangura Sub-County. We have also Kaitango Bogere, is 34 years, is also from the same residence. We have them here at police station, Kabale police station, and investigations are ongoing. But we have beefed up the security in that area, that is Karangura and Mugusu sub-counties, where these incidents happened. We have deployed heavily, and we assure the public, the Wananchi, to stay calm as we do our work. The Wananchi there, they're saying it is a group of Kirumira Mutima. Yeah. But we are still investigating.